Black history and Black History Month has always played a significant meaning in my life. First and foremost, my parents always played a significant role in educating me and my siblings about our history and the struggles and triumphs of people of color in general. As a Black American, my parents felt it was important to talk about our history because sadly, they did not believe it would be taught in our schools. As an adult, I have continued to educate myself, my family, and my associates about the important impact of people such as the great D. Hart Hubbard, who was the first African American to win an individual Olympic gold medal in the 1924 Paris Olympics. The author and journalist Carter G. Woodson, the educator who started Black History Month, and lastly, the inventor and physician Charles Drew, who invented the process of blood plasma storage during surgeries and blood transfusions. I respect and acknowledge the significant impact of such great Black females, such as author and civil rights activist Coretta Scott King. Also, people such as Rosa Parks, considered the mother of the civil rights movement when she refused to go to the back of the bus. And lastly, and most recently, Kamala Harris, who became the first woman to be selected to the vice presidency of the United States in the year 2020. This year, Black History Month takes on an even more special meaning and a personal one for me in particular. By no means do I see myself as a major part of such a proud month for all Americans, but I do recognize the significance of my appointment to the position of Chief Probation Officer in May of last year. Riverside County Probation Department has a rich history since 1905 of serving the residents, the courts, and the community of Riverside. Being named the 12th Chief and the first African American to be named as such holds a special place in my heart, and I do recognize the significance of my appointment and the honor it holds. Every day I give thanks to being placed in a position to serve such a great department and a great county. With that said, and as we approach Black History Month, let's make sure we continue to educate and acknowledge the impact of so many that have come before me, and to do our best to acknowledge those making contributions today. As we honor Black History Month, let's remember our history is about struggles, a desire to share in the American dream, and lastly, to create a world that Dr. Martin Luther King spoke of during his I Have a Dream speech on Washington in 1964. On behalf of the Riverside County Probation Department, join us in celebrating the struggles, achievements, accomplishments, and contributions of Black Americans to the history of this great country. Thank you.